So for those of you who have heard of African black soap, most people think of it as a great natural body cleanser, and that's true. However, it has so many other benefits. One being, it is a great natural moisturizing hair clarifier. In this video, we're going to talk more about African black soap and the benefits it has on hair. Hi, I'm Rolandine Vaughn of Naturally You Hair Products, where our passion is supplying you with natural hair products only containing organic ingredients. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can get our healthy hair tips weekly. All the links mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. At the end of the video, I'll share with you which hair products in our collection contain African black soap that will help you in your healthy hair journey. So let's get started. African black soap originated in West Africa, and it's made up of ash of local plants and dried plant peels. That's how it gets its dark color. It doesn't get more natural than that, y'all. Because the soap is made from plants, it has a high amount of oils, making it a great scalp and hair moisturizer. African black soap has anti-yeast, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties that help prevent against dandruff and dry scalp. All this means is that it's great for keeping your scalp healthy, and we know that scalp health allows for healthy hair and healthy hair growth. Also, the oils found in this soap stop excessive water loss by locking in needed moisture. Clean scalp, hair moisture, this soap is a must-have in your hair regimen if you want healthy growing hair. With all this natural goodness, why wouldn't you try it for yourself? Have you already tried African black soap? Let me know what your experience was like in the comment section. Now, it's not impossible to wash your hair directly with an African black soap bar. But why not use a shampoo that contains African black soap in addition to other organic ingredients like eucalyptus oil, coconut oil? We at Naturally You Hair Products took notice of all the benefits that African black soap has on hair, and we made it our main ingredient in our shampoo and our beard wash. Beard wash for the guys, of course. Our fresh, fragrant lathering shampoo and beard wash have a thinner consistency, allowing for easier access to the scalp and the face for more effective cleansing at the base of the hair follicles. Naturally You shampoo and beard wash gently rids the face and the scalp of dirt while maintaining a natural pH. It stimulates the hair follicles while moisturizing hair, preventing dry hair and breakage. You can order these Naturally You hair products and the rest of our collection at the links in the description box below. It's time to focus on getting a healthy scalp. I hope this video helped, and if there are any hair questions or comments that you have, just leave them in the comment section below and we will talk about them. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can get more healthy hair tips weekly. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.